From time immemorial, whispers of an unseen energy source have echoed throughout human history. These stories are not just legends, but pieces of a larger puzzle, a picture of the connection between humans and the universe. Ancient manuscripts, mystical symbols, and historical ruins all hold clues to this energy source. Passed down from ancient times, chakras, the swirling vortexes of life energy, have enlivened us. These spirals are not just energy points but doorways to deeper aspects of ourselves. We can find depictions of chakras in ancient statues, carvings, and scrolls, all pointing to the existence of these energy centers. These energy centers, 7 points, are the bridge between the physical and the spiritual. Each chakra represents a different aspect of our lives and existence. From our roots to the crown of our head, each chakra carries a unique meaning and function, creating a complex yet harmonious system. Each chakra, like a lotus flower waiting to bloom, holds the key to unlocking deeper aspects of ourselves. The lotus, a symbol of purity and enlightenment, is often used to depict chakras. As we open each chakra, we open new doors in our journey of self-discovery. Interestingly, the journey begins at the base of the spine, where the first chakra resides. This chakra, known as Muladhara, is the foundation of the entire chakra system. It represents stability, security, and connection to the physical world. When this chakra is balanced, we feel safe and confident, ready to face life's challenges. This energy center, known as the Root Chakra, or Muladhara in Sanskrit, is our primal connection to the earth and the foundation upon which we build our life experiences. Muladhara is not only the starting point of our energy journey, but also where we find stability and strength to grow. When we understand and work with this chakra, we can create a solid foundation for personal and spiritual development. Imagine a vibrant red lotus flower, its 4 petals blooming at the base of your spine. This is Muladhara, the root chakra, your anchor to the physical world. It governs our sense of survival, security, and stability, our very foundation. Like a majestic tree drawing nutrients from the earth, the root chakra connects us to the life-giving energy of the planet. When this energy flows freely, we feel grounded, safe, and supported. We trust in the universe and our place within it. This sense of stability allows us to weather life's storms with resilience and grace. The root chakra is our primal connection to the physical world. It is the foundation of existence, where we experience safety and stability. This chakra is located at the base of the spine, and it is the source of life energy, helping us feel grounded and steadfast. It governs our basic needs: food, shelter, safety. When these are met, we feel secure and can focus on other aspects of life. The root chakra helps us feel connected to our family, community, and surroundings. When this chakra is balanced, we feel safe, grounded, and present in our bodies. We can face life's challenges with calmness and confidence. The balance of the root chakra helps us experience stability and presence in each moment. We move through life with confidence, knowing we have the strength to face any challenge. This confidence comes not only from having our basic needs met, but also from a deep connection to ourselves and our surroundings. We feel capable of overcoming obstacles and achieving our goals. However, when the root chakra is blocked or out of balance, life can feel like shaky ground. We may feel insecure, anxious, and unstable. These feelings can make it difficult to focus and achieve our goals. Fear, worry, and insecurity can surface. We may feel like we are caught in a storm, unsure of how to find stability. These feelings can make us feel disconnected from ourselves and our surroundings. We may struggle to meet our basic needs or feel disconnected from our bodies and the present moment. This can lead to fatigue, stress, and a sense of dissatisfaction with life. To restore balance to the root chakra, we need to find ways to reconnect with ourselves and our surroundings, seeking stability and security in our daily lives. Part 4. Awakening Dormant Energy. Practices for Harmony. There are many practices that can help awaken and balance the root chakra, restoring harmony and vitality. Grounding exercises such as walking barefoot on the earth or simply feeling your feet on the ground can help re-establish a strong connection with the earth's energy. Engaging your senses, the smell of fresh earth, the taste of nourishing food, the warmth of the sun on your skin, can also awaken the root chakra. Chanting the root sound Lam, associated with this chakra, can further help activate and balance its energy. Part 5. The Journey Within. A continuous unveiling. The journey of awakening the root chakra is a journey inward. It's about connecting with our physical selves, our basic needs, and our place in the world. It's about finding stability and security from within, rather than seeking it externally. As we cultivate a sense of groundedness and stability, we create a solid foundation for growth and transformation. From this place of stability, we can begin to explore the other chakras and the infinite potential that lies within. Part 6. The Dance of Life, Rooted Yet Free. The paradox of the root chakra is that it grounds us while also giving us the strength to rise. Like a tree with deep roots, we can stand tall and weather any storm when we are grounded. We are free to grow and explore, knowing we have a safe and stable foundation to return to. Life is a dance, a constant interplay between being grounded and reaching for the sky. The root chakra, our anchor and our wings, allows us to move through this dance with grace and resilience. Part 7. Beyond the physical. The root chakra's higher purpose. While the root chakra is often associated with our physical existence, it also carries a deeper spiritual significance. The root chakra, or Muladhara, is the foundation of our energy system. It represents stability, security, and the foundation of life. When we feel insecure or unstable, it can be a sign that our root chakra is out of balance. It is the gateway to our Kundalini energy, the dormant life force that resides at the base of our spine. Kundalini is depicted as a luminous white serpent, coiled at the base of the spine, waiting to be awakened. When this energy is activated, it moves up the spine, opening and activating the other chakras, leading to spiritual awakening and higher awareness. When we awaken and balance the root chakra, we begin to awaken this dormant energy, leading us to a higher state of consciousness and spiritual awareness. This not only helps us feel more secure and stable in our daily lives, but also opens the door to deeper spiritual growth. Balancing the root chakra is the first step in the journey of self-discovery and seeking inner truth. The journey of the root chakra is a journey of self-discovery, leading us to the realization that true security and stability do not come from the external world, but from within ourselves. When we understand that the source of security and stability lies within us, we can begin to build a solid foundation for life. This not only helps us face challenges and difficulties with greater confidence, but also helps us find true peace and happiness. One of the most effective ways to balance the root chakra is through grounding exercises. This can include walking barefoot on the earth, practicing yoga, or simply spending time in nature. These activities help us connect with the earth's energy, bringing a sense of security and stability. When we feel connected to the earth, we also feel connected to ourselves. And from there, we can begin our journey of spiritual exploration and growth. Imagine the earth's energy like roots of a tree, spreading and connecting with us, bringing nourishment and stability. When we practice grounding exercises, we not only balance the root chakra, but also create a solid foundation for all the other chakras. This helps us feel stronger, more confident, and ready to face any challenge in life.